Hardway Garage, June 10th, 2024. Just bring you up to speed real quick with a quick video on the 66 C10 restoration. I ran across some fuel injector issues, pretty important results that you need to be aware of. There's the cab laying on its back so I can undercoat the bottom. Move the bed over here. I'm going to make a little dolly for it so I can get it off to the soda blaster. Here's the chassis. Chassis is all rebuilt. 5.3's in here. The front end's all rebuilt. Got a radiator on it. This little platform. Got the PSI harness. Fuel lines all hooked up and everything. Oil pressure gauge. Fuel lines, fuel pressure gauge. Anyway, I had it running and I had a pretty severe miss. Pulled off the coil wires one at a time, as you do, and determined that cylinder 2 on this side was not firing and number 5 over here was not firing. So swapped out a coil to make sure it wasn't weak spark or whatever, and that wasn't it. So took the fuel rails off and thinking I had a couple bad fuel injectors. So I bought this cool little kit on Amazon for 10 bucks, which has a nice little harness here. You plug it into the fuel injector, use this plus and minus, you put it on your battery, and if you can hear it click, it's probably good if you hear the fuel injector click when you're holding it in your hand. But the other thing you get with this kit are these little things that you put the fuel injector in, and as you're clicking it, you put it on this can of gum out, and you can actually watch the fuel injector spray, which is kind of cool. Beware if you're using gum out or gasoline that's an atomized spray, highly volatile. And if you're over here tapping this on your battery, it's easy to generate a little spark. So just be aware of that, take precautions. The main reason I wanted to do this video now, and I'm going to do another one when I get the fuel injectors in and get it running again to show you how good it runs. But I bought a lot of stuff on Amazon. I've sent a lot of stuff back, but overall it's been decent. So I bought these 8 new fuel injectors on Amazon, and just because it says GM on it or original equipment or whatever, don't believe it. I bought these 8 fuel injectors for like 60 bucks on Amazon. Brand new, right? Well, since I had the little test kit over here to test them, I decided to test them before I put them in. 4 of the 8 were bad. They didn't even click. So I'm glad I had the little test kit. Found that 4 of these 8 fuel injectors were bad. So I said, phooey on that. There's the 6 good ones that I tested and took out and cleaned with the gum out and my little kit. And I went and ordered 2 brand new GM original fuel injectors on Rock Auto. They're about 80 bucks a piece, which is a pretty good discount because at the auto parts store, they're like 120 or 150. So hopefully they're GM because it says it's GM on Rock Auto, and I've been pretty happy with Rock Auto. So that's where I'm at. Fuel injectors, Chinese, forget about it. Beware. And as soon as I get the right ones and get it in here and get this thing running, I'll show you how good it runs. That's about it for today. Hardway Garage, thanks for watching.